Good day to all. Let us study how to execute SQL commands online. This is an example of software as a service, a concept of cloud computing. Oracle company has given us livesql.oracle.com, a cloud platform to execute our SQL commands. We need to create an account with our email ID in this portal, and we can execute our SQL commands, scripts, we can create tables, we can create database, and we can write scripts, etc. here. After creating the account in this portal, we can sign in. I have already created my account using my email ID. Username is or email ID. And I'll sign in. Here this is called the dashboard. Here I have logged in. Home page of the dashboard, and these are the SQL worksheet. And if I reduce the zoom level, you can see the explanations here. My session, schema, quick SQL, my scripts, my tutorials, code library. We can search for scripts and tutorials here. Tutorials are wonderful and very simple also. We can search the code library for different codes. So we'll go for SQL worksheet to execute our SQL commands. We have two windows here. One is output window and another one is SQL window. We have three buttons and five buttons here. One is run command, another save. Save command is used to save the set of statements, SQL statements here. And action is what actions, what sessions we have done here, and find and clear the windows. Now let us create a sample table here in the create statement. You know this create table statement. Create table XYZ. I will make use of the name XYZ with the two column names RNO, which is a numeric value, and name, which is a character type. We use varchar2 data type for character data type columns. Let us put 20 as the data size. We will not put any constraints because this is a sample table. By pressing enter key, nothing happens, as in the SQL software pressing of enter key makes the execution of the command. Here by pressing enter key, nothing happens. To execute this command, we have to click on the run command, run button. So table is created. You can clear this statement and you can insert values to the table. Insert into, you know the syntax of insert statement. Insert into table name. Table name is XYZ. The first value is numeric, and second, so it is not enclosed within quotes. The second value is character data type, so it is enclosed within the single quotes. Now if you want to insert more rows at a time, you can just copy paste this several times and change the data. So I'm going to insert 5 rows. I just change the data as the data of roll number and the name. Now at a time 5 insert statements are going to be executed. So 5 rows will be inserted. Let us use the run button here. You can see 5 rows are inserted. Let's clear the window. Let us see whether these rows inserted are present in the table. So we use the select statement to see the contents of the table. Select start from, is our table name, it's XYZ. So we have these 5 rows selected from the table. This is how you can execute SQL statements online even though you do not have SQL software installed in your computer. Thank you.